All right, this is a review of yesterday's classwork on probability, and I pulled out the problems that we did the lowest on or the worst on. So the first one is, what is the probability of the spinner not landing on a 1 or a 4? So what we want to do is find what's the probability of not 1 or 4 over the probability of all outcomes. So not landing on 1 or 4 means that we're looking at 2 and 3. Those are the two outcomes that are not 1 or 4. So that means I have two outcomes out of a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability would be 2 over 6 of not landing on a 1 or 4. However, we really need to simplify that, and I think that's where the problem was. We simplify that to 1/3, and that would be the answer. All right, the next one, what is the probability of spinning the letter A? Well, we want the probability of spinning an A over the probability of all. And we have, let's count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possible outcomes. And the probability of spinning the letter A, there are 2 outcomes that are the letter A. So we have 2 over 8. And again, we have to simplify that to 1/4. All right, what is the probability of spinning either an A or a C? So I want the probability of A or C over the probability of all outcomes, all possible outcomes. And if I count, again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes. And out of those 8 outcomes, and out of those 8 outcomes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are A or C. Now, I can't simplify this probability, so we would just keep it as the probability of getting an A or a C when we spin the spinner is 5/8. All right, is it impossible for the spinner to land on an odd number, or it is impossible for the spinner to land on an odd number? So impossible means that we are looking at a probability equal to 0. Well, if I look at the probability of spinning an odd on the spinner, it would be 1, 2, 3 possible outcomes out of 6. So this statement would have been false. There is a possibility or probability of landing on an odd number. All right, in this problem, Kayla has 10 marbles in a bag. 2 are yellow, 1 is white, 7 are green. What's the probability she will randomly pick a green marble out of the bag? So we're looking for the probability of green out of the probability of all outcomes. So the probability of green is, let me change my pen color. The probability of green is 7. There are 7 green ones out of a total of 10. And if you add these 3 numbers together, you should end up with 10. And we cannot simplify this fraction because we just can't. So the probability would be 7 out of 10 chances, or your probability is 7/10 to get a green out of the bag. All right, this problem says Renee had 6 red markers and 5 green markers. If she grabs one at random, what is the probability she will grab either a red or a green marker? So that means red or green. We're looking for either one of these, which means we're actually looking for any of these. So either one of those would be 11 chances to pull either one of those out of the bag out of 11. So this means we have a probability of 1, which means this is certain. All right, in this problem, a donut shop has 10 glazed donuts and 6 sprinkled donuts left. What's the probability that Gabe will pick a chocolate powdered or chocolate covered donut? Well, our choices are either glazed or sprinkled donuts. There is no chocolate. So that means that we have no chance of pulling a chocolate out of 13 different donuts. So the probability is 0. And when the probability is 0, this would be impossible. All right, this one is a trick question. What is the probability Mrs. Dancero will eat liver and onions for breakfast tomorrow? So most of you think that it is impossible for me to eat liver and onions for breakfast, but one thing you don't know is that I actually do like liver and onions. So there's a potential that I might eat liver and onions. However, would I eat it for breakfast? Probably not. But there's this slight chance that I might eat it. And because there's a slight chance, a very slight chance, very, 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 very small chance I would, we have to say that the probability that I would eat liver and onions for breakfast is unlikely.